Unlock the power of Excel to reveal hidden trends by mastering the art of plotting multiple lines on a single graph. Let's get started by organizing your data. Ensure you have distinct columns for your categories or time periods, and then dedicate separate columns for each variable you want to track. For instance, here we have years down the left, and then separate columns for the sales performance of product A, product B, and product C. The crucial first step is to select all of your data, including the headers that describe each column. This tells Excel exactly what information to use for your graph. With your data selected, navigate to the Insert tab in the Excel ribbon menu. Within the Charts group, you'll find a variety of chart types. Click on the Line Chart option. From the drop-down menu, choose the Line with Markers option. This is typically the best choice for visualizing multiple data series, as it clearly shows each data point. And just like that, Excel automatically generates a line graph showcasing each of your data series. You can clearly see how product A, B, and C have performed over the years. Notice how Excel has automatically created a legend, distinguishing each line by color and its corresponding product name. This makes it incredibly easy to interpret your data. Now, let's refine your graph. You can click on the chart title to customize it, making it more descriptive, such as product sales performance over time. You can also customize the axis titles by simply clicking on them and typing their appropriate labels, like year for the horizontal axis and sales dollar for the vertical axis. Want to make your graph even more informative? You can click on any individual line to select it. Then, right-click and select Format Data Series. This opens up a panel where you can adjust line colors, styles, and even the marker styles to further differentiate your data. For example, let's change the color of product A's line to green for better visual distinction. By following these simple steps, you can transform your raw data into insightful visualizations, making it easier than ever to understand complex trends and relationships within your business.